Good morning, second graders. Today we are on page 221, and today's objective is, today I will solve word problems. I'm going to use 2 lines because I know I'll run out of room. Word problems involving money. Okay, and when we say money, we're talking about coins and dollars. So today we're going to solve word problems that have coins and dollars in them. Okay, so let's look at our vocabulary really quickly. Okay, and they're reminding us of all of our coins, what the fronts and the backs look like, and their values. They're also reminding us about our dollar bills. And remember, the dollar bills are all the same size, but they have different values. And remember, we can look in the corners for the values and circle those values and see them right there. Okay, let's read our steps today, because today's a little bit different. It says we're going to read the problem, identify clue operation words, decide if the problem is addition or subtraction, and those go together. We're going to look for clue words that tell us if we're adding or subtracting. We're going to draw a model of the money and then write and solve the equation. Okay, friends, so I'm going to get started on my first problem. And here's my first problem. It says, Sarah has the money shown below. She wants to buy a book for $3. How much money will she have left after she buys the book? Okay, I'm going to go back and read that one more time. Sarah has the money shown below. So it says she has this. How much does she have, friends? Let's look at this. I'm going to circle the money. This is a 5. So she has 5. And if she adds 1 to it, she gets 6. And if she adds another, she has 7. So how much money does Sarah have? She has 7. Okay, what happens? It says, she wants to buy a book for $3. Okay, she has enough because she has 7. So she wants to buy a book for $3. How much money will she have left? Ooh, left is a key word, friends. Left means I'm going to do subtraction. So my problem is, my equation, she has $7 and she's going to buy a book for $3. So how much does she have left? Well, $7 subtract $3 is $4. She's going to have $4 left after she buys her book. Okay, let's look at another one. This one says, Betty had the money shown below. Then she found 4 pennies on the sidewalk. How much money does she have altogether? Okay, so this one's a little bit different. It says Betty had the money shown below. Let's see how much money she had below. This is a quarter, so it's 25. That's a quarter, so it's 25. A dime is 10, and a nickel is 5. So let's count them. She has 25, and if she has another quarter, she has 50. And if she has a dime, then she gets 50 plus 10 is 60. And then if she adds a nickel, she has 65 cents. So she has 65 cents. Okay, then it says, then she found. If you find something, aren't you adding it? That's a operation word. That is a clue operation word for addition. She found 4 pennies. Well, what do I know about 4 pennies? Pennies are worth 1. So this is what she found. So if she had 65 and she found 4 pennies, my operation would be 65 plus 4 equals, and how much would that be? 69 cents. So Betty now has 69 cents. Okay, boys and girls, let's do some of these together. We are on page 222. Page 222. And here's our first one. Samantha had the money shown below. Her mom gave her $5. How much money does she have now? Okay, let's see how much. It says Samantha had the money below. So let's find out how much she has. Let's circle these. Make sure you only circle one per dollar bill. So how many dollars do I see? They're all ones. Notice they're all $1 bills. So we could just count them maybe and cross them off as I count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They kind of made them a little confusing the way they stacked them, friends, but I'm seeing that she has 6. Okay, let's read our problem then. It says her mom gave her $5. Gave would tell us that we're going to add. If someone gave it to her, that means she's getting more. So she had 6 plus her mom gave her 5. That's our equation. And the question says, how much money does she have now? So she had 6 plus her mom gave her 5. How much money does she have now, boys and girls? What is 6 plus 5? And you can count up if you need to. You can say I have 6 and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But she has $11 now. She has $11 now. Okay. Let's look at our next one. This one says, Julie had the money shown below. She spent 62 cents on a piece of candy. How much money does she have left? Okay, so this one's a little bit different. This is how much she has. So we can count how much she has. Let's put them together. Let's first put how much that is. That's a penny, that's 1. A nickel is 5. These are all dimes. 10, 10, 10, 10. This is a quarter. This is a dime. And these are pennies. 1, 1. Okay, remember when we count, we try and start with our largest usually. So if I was to count, I would start with my largest, which would be 25. And then I would maybe add my dime. So 25 and add a dime would be 35. Add another dime would be 45. Another dime would be 55. And I'm skip counting by tens. Another dime would be 65. Another dime would be 75. Does she have any more dimes? Nope, so what's 75 and I add 5? That would be a nickel. So 75 plus 5 is 80. And then she has only pennies left. So 81, 82, 83. So she has 83 cents. That's how much money she has. So it said she spent 62 cents on candy. So her equation would be she has 83 and she's going to subtract 62. She's going to subtract 62. So friends, we could do this lots of ways. We could do working form. We could do place value strategy if we wanted. They don't really give us a lot of room. I would probably do place value strategy. We could have done a different strategy of crossing off coins, but I think it's best to have our equation. So I'm going to try and do place value strategy in this tiny area. So what do I have? Let's try and see if we can fit our place value strategy in here. I'm going to have to draw my place value chart. And I have my 1s and 10s. And 1s and 10s and 1s and 10s. So I have 8 10s is 80 and 3 1s is 3. And I'm going to subtract 6 10s, which is 60, and 2 1s. Okay, so 3 1s subtract 2 1s is 1 1. 80 subtract 60 is 20. So we have 21. So she has 21 cents left. I think that was the best way to attack that problem, friends. At least for me, it was the best way. You might have had a different strategy. Okay, have a wonderful day. Goodbye.